Hi, my name's Nathan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use collect mode in FieldLink MR. To start, bring up the main menu by raising your hand with your palm towards you or by saying the word menu. Now, simply gaze or air tap at the collect mode icon in order to open up into collect mode. Just like layout mode, collect mode has its very own feature context menu, where you can quickly access all the relevant tools that you'll need for data collection. Hitting the Continue button will close the FCM and allow you to keep collecting data. Prism and laser will toggle between the different methods, while the joystick tool allows you to precisely aim or position the laser. Jumping into the Edit tool allows us to customize the details of our next collected point. We can even designate new control points and use them in future station setups. To enter a new point name, simply use the keyboard or the voice-to-text option with the microphone right here. Bringing up the Layers dropdown will allow us to designate a specific layer for our point collection. Now, we'll press Continue and simply collect this point by gazing, pressing, or saying the word measure. Here, we'll see all the details of our collected point, such as the name, the layer, the coordinates, the description, and more. Looking down, we'll see the point has been collected and is visible in our modeled space as well. Now, to switch to laser mode, we'll raise our palm towards us and bring up the FCM, hitting the toggle button. To use laser mode within the collect mode, simply air tap or gaze and say select anywhere in your environment to automatically aim the instrument. Essentially, we want to position this white circle wherever we want to roughly collect our data. In this case, I'm going to air tap on the wall over here, like so. Once air tapped, the joystick tool will automatically appear, allowing you to fine-tune the position of your laser. In this case, I want the laser positioned precisely on the sticker, so I'll raise my palm to bring up the menu, update the speed to a nudge, and use the directional arrow to position the laser. Finally, pressing measure to take the observation. And just like that, I've got my point observed with all of my metadata presented here. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.